guys, today is February 28th, 2019. Here we are, Team Bellick and Century 21 with a Realty and our friends. I'll introduce them later. Now, this is Arthur Bellick, my key co-agent, and my right hand, me, Milla Filippova. I guess that I'm his left hand. Our friends are here, and also a lot of drawers, blueprints, pictures from the contractor. Hi, Candy. This is Candy, our friend and neighbor, and our consultant. Candy is gonna be consulting us on how to better combine two styles: crazy contemporary and elegant classic style. Somebody else is here. I guess this is Peggy. Peggy is Candy's daughter and also our neighbor and friend, as well as she and Arthur Bellick both are from Albany, New York. Peggy, what do you think of our apartment? Peggy says that we are going to have all those renovations done in 3 months. After that, we'll see the most gorgeous and most contemporary renovated apartment. Because we are Team Bellick, Century 21 with a Realty.